While the light is nice, I'm going to go to the north end of Arbutus Trestle and find the old original grade, which recently was used as a spur for maintenance of way cars. So the track is still there, but I like the view of where it ends up. So we'll walk down and see that. Looking on the west side, it is generally right through there, through those trees, is where the original grade was. We'll see it. Spent a bit of time here in the darkness this morning at the north end. So through here is how you get to the creek end of the spur, but I'm going to take you all the way down. It's only a little ways. Here it is on the left. I'll just go past it and then swing around. This is right around mile 15, if my memory is correct. I got some nice photographs here in January, and I regretted later that I didn't take more, so that's what we're doing. Just really like this walk in the woods. So this is the grade where the special train with Mr. Dunsmuir on it had a crazy speed up to Wellington when they got news of one of the mine explosions up there. I might have my facts wrong. It might have been an extension explosion, or it was Wellington. I read about it in one of Mr. Turner's books. Here's that lovely view. Looking back where we just were. I love this history. It's nice to see the obvious rock cut for a rail line. I like to remember photographers that created the historical images that we all enjoy, and being in the same spot that others were before me is pretty humbling to realize that I'm in their space. So I really feel like I'm in Mr. Wilkie's cathedral here, and yeah. That man left such a fabulous legacy of the ENN, especially the Malahat area, at Mr. Wilkie, and I hope I'm remembering his name correctly. Yeah, this is This is sacred ground for those that love railway photography and appreciate the people that gave us images that we all enjoy. There we are looking north and south.